Yeah, when you're 40.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This one made me breakfast. I'm so excited.
She's been in the kitchen the last couple days.
Which is funny because this is her favorite breakfast right here. Like no syrup, just whipped cream and pancakes. That's her favorite breakfast. And eggs are mine. And she has to eat both.
She asked to make eggs.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Make it more like a realistic breakfast because that's
Yep.
the microwave pancakes.
Well, you get some protein along with your carbs and your sugar.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. It's Friday right here, right now, when we're recording this. And it's the day. It's time to pack up the trailer and head on up north to the cool pines, get out of the heat, and have some fun this weekend for Labor Day weekend. So the last thing that I have to do before we actually hook everything up is check the tire pressure, air pressure in my tires, make sure those are good. Always something you should do when you're towing and pulling something heavy. Is make sure that your tires are good. Most of the time they are. If you keep them checked, you're usually pretty good. Unless your tires are old and bunk. And you use the tank to push the air. Alright, boys and girls, we're all loaded up, hitched up, hooked up, ready to rock and roll.
Oh, we need one of those, babe. Isn't that cute?
I tried to get you to buy one of those and you didn't like the color.
It's super cute.
That's what we should have bought. This thing is too heavy.
It'd be a lot easier, huh?
Yes.
The usual, they downloaded some movies or shows before we left, so they're good to go for the car ride. Maybe taking her nap. The driver. And me. So we see some black smoke and some brake lights.
Hopefully it's not terrible.
Yeah, that's a full-on fire.
It's a bonfire.
That's so scary.
Yeah, that's pretty scary. Looks like there's kids too.
This poor family.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Bunch of like kids.
Oh my gosh.
Holy crap. The car is gone. Alright, quick pit stop, 2 hours into our drive, filling the tank of gas back up, ice in the cooler, sub sandwiches, G Fuel, ready for this last hour, our last leg. Let's go.
It's about time that we said all dinner.
They've been jamming for the last like 10, 15 minutes.
Ever since
Sharing-
we left the gas station.
yeah. Well, yeah, longer than that, but they're listening to someone's phone, listening to music, they got earbuds in, sharing songs.
Sharing
Picking
earbuds.
a playlist.
It's kind of cute.
Bang, 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 bang. We'll start till we're legends. Bang, bang, bang.
Baby, are you gonna sing?
Bang, bang. We'll start till we're legends. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
I guess this is it.
Yeah, this is crazy. This
Looks
is
like
an
it's just
actual campground.
like an open area that somebody decided to come to, and now it's like a thing to do.
Some official. This is pretty cool, actually. Look how big and open it is.
Open.
Yeah.
Now we just have to find out which group of
Find our
trailers
group,
we
yeah.
are.
Over here on the right, looks like. All right, you guys, we made our way to camp, and I have to say, this is pretty awesome. As you saw in that last clip, it's a campground, like open woods designated campground. There's signs and roads and all that good stuff, but it's literally in the woods. And we've got this giant circle, this giant ring. I would say I know half these people and the other half I don't know any of them. But these are all friends on this side, and these are all randos over here, and there's more randos back there, and then those people aren't in our circle. But oh man, this is gonna be good, guys. This is gonna be good. But I am super stoked to ride my bike. up here in the woods. There's a bunch of different like roads. They're mostly roads, so it's not nothing crazy or awesome. Like, you know, there's not gonna be cool jumps. They're mostly for like razors and quads and Jeeps and stuff like that. But it should be a good time. I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna charge up the GoPros and go for a ride tomorrow. Bryce,
What?
I got a very important question for you. Do you wish you had your dirt bike here?
Kind of.
Do you or not? There's a yes or no.
The 110.
The 110.
Well, no, because like that kid over there, he has that bike, and he's just kind of like putting around here.
Yeah.
And like I don't. 65 would be too hard for me just to be like putting around.
Yeah.
If we were actually going to go on trails and stuff, I would bring 65. But just to like to put around here, I should bring the 110.
Gotcha. All right, good to know.
Dinner time?
Time to start.
Time to start dinner.
Got some onions and mushrooms. We got some burgers on the grill soon. What do we have for sides?
Keeping it simple. Potato salad.
Potato salad. Love it.
And the babies. What do you think about this? I have no leash. I'm just chilling, huh?
Yeah, she doesn't know what to think.
Yeah.
There's a lot of dogs out here, so she was a little worried, like timid. She wanted to go back inside after we let her out.
Yeah,
Now she's just chilling with us.
She wants to be
like.
She wants to be by her trailer with her people.
Yeah.
Huh. Are you a shy doggy? Are you shy? She's being so good. Just laying here. She sees the other doggy. She's like, this is my area. Oh, babies. Good girl. You burning them?
No, these are flame broiled.
Oh, okay.
Like the Whopper. What you call flame kissed?
Flame kissed, huh?
Kissed.
Baby, are those your friends back there? Yeah, I don't know about them. I don't know about them. Then we got this big old guy. He's like, hey, what you guys got here?
What are you doing?
Who is this? What's up, guys?
Dinner time. We're ready. We're ready. Burgers are ready with cheese. Onions and mushrooms are ready. Friends are getting the firewood ready for the campfire. Chopping some logs up. Chainsaw action.
Onion and mushroom.
Yeah, all of that.
You already ready? You put no onions and mushrooms? Wow. Loser. What do you got, Bryce? You got mustard? You gonna put some onions and mushrooms on there?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. Little coloring action.
Mhm.
Is that felt? No, it's just a picture. Is this yours or hers?
Mine.
Is yours?
Yeah, she has all these different ones.
Oh, these are cool.
And she has markers.
Just a bunch of them? A bunch of different ones?
Oh, there's a bunch
This is
more
the
up
this
here.
is the back of
Oh,
them.
that's the back, so those are in
Yeah,
here?
she has like this big one.
That's cool.
And then she has these little ones that are themed and everything.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Look at these ones she's done.
Oh, wow.
She did it after her
They're in
testing.
the very back.
She did it after her testing whenever she at school.
Wow. It's s'more night. Race has got marshmallows. He's like, I don't even want a s'more. I just want marshmallows. Is that good? Don't choke. Got the campfire. We got the s'mores going. Everyone's roasting the marshmallows. Roasting the marshmallows is always the best part.
Huh?
Even if they don't eat it, they just like roasting them.
I like gold marshmallows.
Gold marshmallows.
Gold marshmallows.
Waiting for a stick?
I like any kind of marshmallow.
You like any kind of marshmallow? Well, guys, it's 11 o'clock. Time for bed. Everyone's kind of winding down. One by one, people start disappearing from the campfire. You're like, hey, where'd so-and-so go? Hey, where'd so-and-so go? It's bedtime. It's bedtime. So we're going to call it a night. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow, first full day here at campsite. Probably go dirt bike riding. Don't know. No promises. But I will go dirt bike riding sometime this weekend for sure. 100%. Everyone's got razors. No quads, no dirt bikes. Everyone's got razors. So I assume we'll go for a ride at some point. I do have to go into town to upload the vlog, so that'll happen at some point. and we're just gonna camp out and have fun. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Vlog on.